Former federal health care workers protested the Trump administration's efforts to downsize the federal government. Doctors, nurses, crisis hotline workers, and other staff members were among the protesters gathered outside of the Atlanta VA Medical Center yesterday. They say the Trump administration's cuts to the Department of Veterans Affairs put veterans' lives at risk and make it harder for them to get help.
There's going to be delays with veterans getting their prescriptions filled, with them getting their benefits approved when they're new coming into the VA.
VA Secretary and former Georgia Congressman Doug Collins says the Trump administration wants to bring staffing levels back to 2019 levels and plans to cut up to 80,000 jobs to do so.